What if I told you that you could save your first $1,000, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck on minimum wage? No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick schemes, no overnight miracles. Just a simple, proven system that real people are using right now to hit that $1,000 goal faster than they ever thought possible. I'm going to break this down step by step, and by the end of this video, you're going to walk away with an exact roadmap that you can start using today. So if you're serious about changing your financial situation, stay with me, because this one video could literally change your life. Let's start with the truth that nobody wants to talk about. Most people believe that they can't save money because they don't earn enough. And I understand that feeling completely. When you're working minimum wage, every dollar feels like it's already spoken for before it even hits your account. But here's what the data actually shows us. The average American household earns around $56,000 a year. Yet nearly 60% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency expense. So the question isn't just about income. The question is, where is the money going? Studies show that the average American spends over $1,500 a year just on coffee, another $2,400 a year on subscriptions they barely use, and over $3,000 a year on impulse purchases. That's nearly $7,000 a year silently disappearing. The problem isn't your paycheck. The problem is the invisible leaks draining your wallet every single month. And once you see them, you can fix them. Before we get into the steps, I need you to understand one thing. Saving money is not a math problem. It's a behavior problem. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need a six-figure salary. You just need a system and the discipline to stick to it for 90 days. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop thinking about saving as what's left over after spending. Start thinking about saving as the first bill you pay, to yourself. This is called paying yourself first. Every time money comes in, before rent, before groceries, before anything, you move a set amount into savings. Even if it's just $5 or $10, the habit matters more than the amount in the beginning. Because once the habit is locked in, the amounts grow naturally. All right, let's get into the exact system. 5 steps. Simple. Proven. Step 1. Track every dollar for 7 days. I want you to do one thing starting today. Track every single dollar you spend for the next 7 days. Every coffee, every snack, every online purchase, everything. Use a free app like Mint or just the Notes app on your phone. It doesn't matter how you track, just track. Most people are genuinely shocked when they do this for the first time. They discover they're spending $300 to $400 a month on things they don't even remember buying. Awareness is the first step to change. You can't fix what you can't see. Step 2. Cut the invisible expenses. After 7 days of tracking, you're going to find the leaks. The most common invisible expenses that drain Americans dry? Streaming services. Most households pay for 4 or more. Cut it down to 1 or 2. Save $30 to $50 a month. Gym memberships. If you haven't gone in 3 months, cancel it. Save $30 to $80 a month. Food delivery apps. The convenience fees and tips add up fast. 1 less delivery order per week saves $40 to $60 a month. Subscriptions you forgot about. Go through your bank statement right now. Most people find 2 to 3 subscriptions they completely forgot about. Cancel them immediately. Just doing this step alone can free up $150 to $300 every month. That's $1,800 to $3,600 a year recovered. Step 3. The $10 a day challenge. This is the strategy that I want you to really lock in on. $10 a day, that's it. 1 less take. Power move 2. Micro side hustles. You don't need a second job. You just need a few extra hours per week. Delivering food with DoorDash or Uber Eats on weekends for just 3 to 4 hours can bring in $50 to $100 extra per week. That's $200 to $400 extra per month, straight into savings. Other quick options: walking dogs on Rover, doing tasks on TaskRabbit, or selling handmade items on Etsy. Even $100 to $200 extra per month cuts your timeline to $1,000 in half. Power Move 3. The No Spend Weekend Challenge. Once a month, commit to a zero-spend weekend. No restaurants, no shopping, no online orders. Cook at home, watch free content, go for a walk, spend time with people you care about. One no-spend weekend per month can save you $100 to $200 easily. And honestly, most people say these weekends end up being their favorite. Power Move 4. Negotiate your bills. This one surprises most people, but it works. Call your internet provider, your phone carrier, your insurance company, and ask for a better rate. Just say, "I've been a loyal customer and I'm considering switching to a competitor. Is there anything you can do for me?" Most of the time, they will offer you a discount, just for asking. This one phone call can save you $20 to $50 a month, every single month going forward. Let me give you the exact breakdown so you can see exactly how this works. If you save $10 a day, $1,000 in 100 days. If you save $15 a day, $1,000 in 67 days. If you save $20 a day, $1,000 in 50 days. If you add $200 from selling unused items, plus $200 from a micro side hustle, you could hit $1,000 in under 30 days. The math is simple. The execution is simple. The only variable is your commitment. And here's what I want you to remember. $1,000 in savings changes everything psychologically. It's not just money in an account. It's proof to yourself that you can do this. It's the foundation of your entire financial future. It's the emergency fund that keeps one bad day from becoming a financial disaster. $1,000 is just the beginning. So let's recap everything we covered today. Step 1. Track every dollar for 7 days. See where your money is really going. Step 2. Cut the invisible expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, memberships, and delivery apps. Step 3. Take the $10 a day challenge. 100 days, $1,000. Done. Step 4. Open a dedicated savings account. Keep it separate from your spending money. Step 5. Automate your savings. Remove willpower. Let the system do the work. And if you want to get there faster, sell your unused stuff. Pick up a micro side hustle. Try a no-spend weekend and negotiate your bills. Your first $1,000 is closer than you think. Now here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is your savings goal for 2025? I read every single comment and I will personally reply to as many as I can. If this video gave you value, hit that like button. It helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you're serious about taking control of your financial future, subscribe to Wealth Vantage. Every single week, we bring you simple, actionable money strategies that actually work in the real world. Your financial future starts with one decision. Make that decision today. Stay wealthy, stay smart, stay elite.